Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm at my school right now. You guys can see I'm riding a skateboard. So I'm going to test out the gimbal for the GoPro, how it works. So stay tuned. Yo, look at the squirrels at my school. Gosh, there's so many squirrels. Yo, where did it go? See right there? Yo, he got scared. So I also brought my drone here. As you guys can see, why don't I show you guys some cool shots through my drone? So the cop just pulled over. You guys can see I can't fly the drone anymore. He told me that this is near the airport, 5 miles near the airport, so I cannot fly my drone. Too bad guys, can't show you guys the footage. So last time I fly my drone in the school, the good thing is there was no cops. So no one caught me, no one told me anything, and I did fly my drone. I can roll you guys some footage from my last video, which I never posted in my YouTube. So there you go guys. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run with the GoPro without the gimbal, and then I'm gonna show you I'm gonna run with the gimbal. So that was the test results with the gimbal, and you guys can see there's a huge difference with the gimbal and without the gimbal. So it's more stable. Of course, it's more stable with the gimbal on it. You guys can see the obvious difference. So this is pretty much today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.